There's no measurement on paper of what character you want to bring in. Because if someone's good, they're good. Let's not take away talent. But also you have to be honest with yourself when you sit with the coaches and you say, will this character of this player also be good for our environment? And at times you got to be brave and say yes, but I'm willing, or you must be brave in saying no, but I'm willing to work with that person. And funny enough, Michael, for me as someone that sits on the other side of the table now, I always challenge coaches to go as low as the second and third team, because I believe at times we're missing the right and the late developers, that rough diamond, because not everyone gets the opportunity. In cricket, there's something called quality of opportunity. But I'm a firm believer. I'll rather work with someone that is willing to understand a process of 2 to 3 years